Cocktail number 4, we are making Dark and Stormy cocktail made with the dark rum. That's why it is a Dark and Stormy. So this time we'll use a simple all-in glass, and this is build-up cocktail. So in build-up cocktail, we add a lot of ice, and direct we start with the sprit first. So one double shot of dark rum, two dash of Angostura bitter. This is aromatic bitter made with more than 100 herbs and botanicals. A lime wedge and top it up with ginger ale or ginger beer. So whatever is convenient for you. Straw. That's it. This is a very simple cocktail. Dark and Stormy.